Introduction to Human Behavioral Biology. Human behavioral biology is a field that explores the biological underpinnings of human behavior. At its core, this discipline recognizes that our actions, thoughts, and emotions are not solely products of our environment or upbringing but are deeply influenced by the intricate workings of our biology. One fundamental aspect of human behavioral biology is the role of genetics. Our genes, inherited from our parents, shape various aspects of our behavior. For example, studies have identified specific genes associated with personality traits, such as extroversion or introversion. While genes provide a predisposition, environmental factors still play a crucial role in whether these traits manifest. The brain, being the command center of our nervous system, is a focal point in understanding human behavior. Neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in our brains, influence mood and behavior. For instance, serotonin is associated with feelings of well-being, and imbalances in its levels are linked to conditions like depression. Understanding these neural processes aids in comprehending the biological basis of mental health disorders. Hormones, the body's chemical messengers produced by the endocrine system, also play a significant role in human behavior. Testosterone, for instance, is often linked to aggression and dominance. In studies, variations in testosterone levels have been associated with differences in behavior, ranging from competitive tendencies to risk-taking. Evolutionary psychology, a branch of human behavioral biology, explores how certain behaviors and traits may have evolved to enhance our survival and reproduction. Take, for instance, the concept of mate selection. Evolutionary psychologists argue that certain preferences, such as a preference for facial symmetry, may be linked to indicators of genetic fitness. The study of human behavioral biology delves into the concept of nature versus nurture, acknowledging the intricate interplay between genetic predispositions and environmental influences. A classic example is the case of identical twins raised in different environments. While they share the same genetic makeup, differences in their behavior can often be attributed to their distinct life experiences. Mirror neurons, a fascinating discovery in neuroscience, contribute to our understanding of empathy and imitation. These neurons fire both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else doing the same action. This mirroring mechanism is believed to underlie our ability to understand and share the feelings of others, fostering social bonds. The role of culture in shaping behavior is another crucial aspect of human behavioral biology. While biological factors provide a foundation, cultural influences mold specific behaviors and norms. For instance, the definition of acceptable social behavior varies widely across cultures, illustrating the intricate dance between biology and society. The impact of early childhood experiences on later behavior is a central theme in human behavioral biology. Attachment theory suggests that the quality of early relationships, particularly with caregivers, can influence an individual's emotional and social development. Secure attachments are associated with better mental health outcomes, while insecure attachments may contribute to issues like anxiety or difficulty forming relationships. Stress, a common aspect of human existence, has profound effects on behavior and biology. The stress response, mediated by hormones like cortisol, prepares the body for fight or flight. While this response is crucial in acute situations, chronic stress can have detrimental effects on physical and mental health, contributing to conditions like cardiovascular disease and anxiety disorders. Genetic and environmental factors also intersect in the realm of addiction. While certain genetic predispositions may make individuals more vulnerable to addiction, environmental factors, such as exposure to drugs, play a critical role. Understanding the biological aspects of addiction informs both prevention strategies and treatment approaches. Sexual behavior, another area explored in human behavioral biology, involves a complex interplay of biological and social factors. Hormones like testosterone influence sexual desire, while cultural and societal norms shape the expression and acceptance of various sexual behaviors. This interdisciplinary approach helps elucidate the diverse factors influencing human sexuality. Human behavioral biology extends its reach into the study of aggression and cooperation. The interplay between genetic predispositions and environmental factors determines the expression of aggressive or cooperative behaviors. Research has identified genes associated with aggression, but the manifestation of these traits depends on factors like upbringing and societal influences. The field also investigates the biological basis of mental disorders. Conditions such as schizophrenia and bipolar disorder have been linked to genetic factors, neurotransmitter imbalances, and structural abnormalities in the brain. This understanding is crucial for developing effective interventions and reducing the stigma surrounding mental health. Human behavioral biology doesn't only focus on deviations from the norm but also explores the spectrum of normal behavior. Personality traits, which encompass a wide range of individual differences, have both genetic and environmental influences. For example, the heritability of traits like openness or conscientiousness has been studied, revealing the intricate interplay between nature and nurture. In conclusion, human behavioral biology is a multifaceted field that seeks to unravel the complex web of factors influencing human behavior. From the role of genes and neurotransmitters to the impact of early experiences and cultural influences, this discipline provides a holistic understanding of why we behave the way we do. By integrating insights from genetics, neuroscience, psychology, and anthropology, human behavioral biology sheds light on the interconnectedness of our biology and behavior, offering valuable insights for fields ranging from mental health to social policy.